How to send money with PayPal business account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to send money using a PayPal business account. Whether you're paying a freelancer, supplier, or just transferring funds to a partner or another business, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process. We'll also go through some pro tips to avoid fees, keep your transactions secure, and manage your records better. Let's get started. So before we head over into our step-by-step process, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check them out. Now, let's quickly explain what is PayPal Business. Now, this is a type of account designed for entrepreneurs, online sellers, and businesses of all sizes. It lets you accept payments, send money, invoice clients, and even integrate PayPal with your e-commerce store. Unlike professional or personal accounts, business accounts include more tools for tracking transactions and managing themes. First things first, you have to log into your PayPal business account. So just head over to the paypal.com/business, and from here you simply want to click on the sign up button. By doing this, you will be able to sign in your business and also your name into your PayPal business account. If you have an account already, just click on the login button. It will simply go ahead and look something like this. Once inside, you will be able to send money by clicking on the pay and get paid option. Unfortunately, you cannot do this right away. You first have to submit documents in order for you to use additional features of PayPal Business, and that includes the send money option. And so, how can we simply send money here on PayPal Business? You just have to head over to the quick access. In here, you have your business tools, you have your invoicing to send invoice, you have request money, send payments, and PayPal checkout. You can also find the send money on the pay and get paid button, because you can simply edit this out if you want to. Sometimes this button will not appear on your own dashboard. So to simply find the send money option, you have to click on the pay and get paid button. Additional options will show up where you want to navigate through the make payments category. Below that, you then have the send payments button. It will then take us to this page where you simply have to confirm your account. And right after, we are now inside the send category or the send page. In here, you simply want to type the name, the username, email, or mobile number. So you can just request this from the person that you are sending the money to. So if their name is something like John, you can just type it right here. Or if they have an email, to make things easier, you can just type their email inside. Now, if you already have contacts in your PayPal business account, you simply want to click on the show all contacts button. In here, you then have to click on your contacts and you will be able to send money right away. In our case, we are going to type their email address right here. In my case, it's going to be this one. Here, after typing their user info, you simply want to click on the specific profile right here, because if you click outside this menu, it will not show up anymore. So you have to make sure that you click on the profile icon or the user profile. In here, you will be able to simply send the amount and the recipient gets. So for example, let's say that I'm sending money from this specific currency right here. Let's go ahead and type something like 6,000 pesos. The recipient will go ahead and get $100.42. In here, you just have to type the what's this for. Let's go ahead and say that this is for payments. Now, you can simply change the currency if you want to. So for example, if your recipient is living from China, you can just simply type here the Chinese currency. But unfortunately, as of the moment, this is the only currency that PayPal Business supports. In here, you have currencies like Swedish krona, Singapore dollar, Thai baht, New Taiwan dollar, Hong Kong dollar, British pounds, euro, and more. Right after customizing the payout page, you simply want to click on the next button. In here, you will be able to choose a type of payment. They will save this for all payments to that specific recipient. You can go ahead and change this on the review screen. From here, you have for goods and service, get a full refund if an eligible item gets lost or damaged. Seller pays a small fee. You then have for friends and family. Buyer protection doesn't apply for this payment. So if you are simply sending this into someone you don't know, you then want to choose the for goods and services to apply the buyer protection program. But if you're sending this money into someone that you basically know, you then want to choose the for payments and family so it doesn't apply some hidden fees on your transaction. Now let's click on the second option right here, which is the for friends and family. Click on the continue button. And right after that, it will then take you to the link a payment method. If you want to send money from your bank account, you then want to link your bank account right here. If you want to link a credit card or debit card, simply take it inside. From here, you then have your bank name, you'll have your bank code, and the account number. Click on the link your bank account button and you will be able to simply link your bank account where the money is going to be taken from. Right after that, you will be able to simply review and send your payment. You want to double check all of the details, the recipient, the amount, the payment method, and note. Then you want to hit on the send payment now. You'll get a confirmation email and you will be able to see the transaction in your activity tab. And so if you're sending money regularly to someone, you then want to use the additional features of PayPal Business. So inside your own dashboard, you just want to navigate through the pay and get paid button. Right after, you want to click on the wallet balance option. Inside this page, you then have all of your currencies. In my case, it's going to be the Philippine pesos and US dollar. Now this is my primary currency right here, and you then want to navigate through the more actions button. This is where we can use additional features of PayPal. In here, you then want to simply click on the setup auto transfers. Now by setting this up, you will be able to simply send money regularly to someone's bank account or PayPal account. In here, you then want to link your bank account where the money will be taken from, and you also have your frequency. Click on turn on automatic transfer and you should be good to go. Now, as an additional tips to reduce fees and stay safe, you want to send money from your PayPal balance or bank account to reduce the processing fees. You always want to use paying for an item or service for proper records and protection. And lastly, you want to enable 2FA, which is two-factor authentication, to keep your business account secure. You want to avoid sending large amounts without a contact of proof or service. Always document payments for protection. And so that's it. Now you know how to send money from your PayPal business account safely and efficiently. Whether you're paying international freelancers, setting invoices, or managing business transactions, PayPal make it fast and convenient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave or give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below if you have any questions or want me to cover other PayPal features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.